here we have 10 ounces of peppers, about 3 ounces of cayenne, and the rest are jalapeno. This is supposed to be just cayenne hot sauce, but I didn't have enough cayenne pepper, which is honestly surprising. So I improvised. This is just going to be a really peppery hot sauce. And I'm going to add about half cup. This was probably more like 3/4 of a cup of white vinegar. And now 5 to 6 cloves of like crushed garlic. Mine is frozen. I'm going to bring it to a boil. I'm also going to add 1 teaspoon of salt. Alright, so basically I am going to stir this. We're going to bring this to a boil. Alright, we're going to bring this to a boil. And once it comes to a boil, we're going to turn it down and let it simmer for about 20 to 25 minutes. And then after that, we're going to take it off the heat, let it cool slightly, and puree it up. Also, you can add more vinegar if you want your hot sauce to be more runny. This is probably 3/4 of a cup, but yeah, it says half cup to a cup. I did about 3/4 of a cup. So we're gonna let this boil and simmer for about 20 to 25 minutes, and then we'll be back. All right, now we're gonna food process this mixture here. After you process it, you can put it through a strainer if you want a really thin sauce with, like, you know, no pulp or whatever you want to call it. I haven't decided what I'm gonna do after I blend this up. We'll decide after I see the texture. I won't lie, the smell of this is burning my nose. All right, hold on. It's really good. It's pretty spicy. Ooh, that is honestly pretty fantastic. Let me rinse this jar, and I'm gonna put it in the jar, and that's literally it. All right, that is that. I know the lighting is pretty terrible. That's that. It made like half a jar of sauce, but I'm gonna put a lid on it, and it's gonna stay good in the fridge for honestly at least a couple months. So we are having tacos tonight, so I might have Jonathan try it out. He loves a good hot sauce. I don't know how he'll feel about how thick this is. I think it's tasty. I think it would be good on tacos, but who knows? So I'll probably see you all tonight. All right, so I would normally have Jonathan try the hot sauce, and he has tried it, and he does really like it, but he's been very, very busy the last couple days, so you're just gonna have to take my word for it that it is really good. I will say it is very spicy. I wouldn't say very spicy. It's spicy, but it's also pretty thick. It is not really runny. So if you want a thinner sauce, I would definitely add more vinegar to it. The recipe does say you can add water when you're cooking it, not now, and that will thin it out. I don't know how that affects the flavor. I didn't do that, obviously, but it is really good. We had tacos the other night, and we both put it on our tacos, and I think it's really good. It is warm. It's a warm sauce. But I think the flavors are really good. You can taste the garlic in it. you can taste the vinegar, but it's not overly acidic. And you can taste the different peppers in it. It doesn't just taste like jalapenos. And it doesn't just taste like cayenne. So it is really good. I would 100% make this again. In fact, I will. I know I will because I have more cayenne peppers out there. Anyway. The next recipe I think I'm going to do is a banana pepper hot sauce because I've got a lot of banana peppers to use. And I don't feel like canning them exactly. So I think we're going to try a banana pepper hot sauce. So if you're interested in that, come back for that on Tuesday. And, well, yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!